Hi, my name's Brooke, and I'm a fourth-year BSW student at the University of Windsor. I feel like I've always been interested in helping others in the community. You know, social work is so diverse. There's so many different avenues that you can go into. So you can work with children, adults, seniors. I'm in my fourth-year placement, so it's an 8th-month placement where you're able to actually get hands-on experience in one of those areas. The theoretical part of the learning, I feel like really goes hand in hand when you're actually in the field. So when you apply for your professional years, I feel like those are years that, you know, really shine and have really prepared me. In third year, there's specialized courses. One factor that really helped though were the professors in my program. There's also that option of going into your Master's of Social Work as well. Social work is just such a great area to go into. Thrive in social work at UWindsor.